Hello and welcome. My name is Shannon Cecilia, and you have joined us either through your Shannon Flourishing Essence or at a Creative Cauldron. And so I invite you to join us. We are having a beautiful giveaway, and I'm going to draw the names from my current newsletter subscribers. Please sign up and join. The prize who wins the random pick is going to win a 2025 planner from Daniel Laporte. That's right. 2025 is the year to thrive. And so I'm rocking it in a Creative Cauldron. We have the most amazing journey planned, and you can start your journey now. Sign up for the newsletter, get your name in for the draw to win a free planner. If you don't win, we still got 10% off of your purchase. It's a lovely gift and it's a win-win all the way around. It supports yourself. Invest in your 2025 year to thrive. I'm going to pull a card now. I have the Angel Tarot, and oh my gosh, number 14, solutions, Archangel Zadkiel, and success that comes from objective compromise, self-control, and patience, forgiving, and healing. Now, this card is a beautiful example of how we work on the inner and it reflects on the outer. And so I see this beautiful illuminating radiance light shining down upon this beautiful angelic figure. And Archangel Zadkiel, we know that we can shield and protect ourselves when we need to, when it's required. And so I invite you to know that you can stand where you are, self-centered, patient, forgiving and healing energy as you step forward into the next phase of what is coming up for you. And so I invite you to get grounded in nature. Stretch your wings out. You know that they can enfold you, envelop you in your safety. And so standing on the soft ground, you are grounded and centered and rooted in your self-control and patience as you objectively assess and move forward with inspired action. So I'm doing these wonderful readings, and they're 45 minutes long for $44 US. It's the October personal reading special. And what I'm doing is I'm asking you to choose your deck, whether it's an oracle deck or a tarot deck, and then we meet up with your natal moon and we look at where you are now, a topic that you want to expand, right? And then we deep dive in and receive insight and guidance and set up a strategic plan for your next inspired actions. I love doing this work. Sign up today. This is October personal reading special, 45 minutes for $44 US. It's an amazing experience. Book your session now, and I'll see you at a Creative Cauldron.